Hi everyone, I am Eliza Kirubin Manalon and I'm going to present to you one of the tourism sites in Hindang, Leyte, the Bonto Cave and the Wild Monkeys. It was also known as Hindang Caves Park, inhabited with wild monkeys. Here you can find several caves, but the more prominent ones are the Cathedral, Panong Bato, and the Pandayan Cave. It was said that these caves serves as refuge by the guerrillas during World War II and survived heavy bombardment by the Japanese. However, it's sad to see that there were lots of vandals on the walls. The wild monkeys lurking on the forest can be seen upon reaching the area leading to the caves. These monkeys are a bit spoiled and expect to be fed with bananas by the visitors. Positive impacts. Caves are one of the most important and well-known geological features in the world, an environmental and cultural heritage as well as important economic resource for many countries. Hindang Caves play its key role in groundwater movement and serve as habitat for the threatened and endangered animal species just like the wild monkeys and also humans. Negative impacts. Caves ecosystem are characterized by lack of light. As a result, Hindang Caves can provide food or any plants inside on it because of its lack of penetration of sunlight or the photosynthesis, but rather it is dependent on connectivity to the surface or internal microbial production for energy supply. Problems. Hindang Cave is already dead because of an unaware tourist touching the cave formations without knowing it would turn into black or die. Some parts of the cave wall were filled with lots of vandals that causes the Hindang Cave to stop forming and destroying the growth of the stalactites and stalagmites formations. The management of Hindang Cave must put some conservation tapes and barriers so that the tourists will be aware about not to cross that area. They must also put some awareness signages about not to touch the cave formations and how many years it takes to recover. Aside from putting conservation tapes and barriers, a guide personnel is a must to surely assure that tourists won't cross or touch anything and can monitor the tourist activities inside the premises. Recommendations. The LGU of Hindang must take an action about these concerns on Hindang Caves. They must put attention to protect and care for it, help to maintain and conserve its natural beauty, and to be polluted-free cave. Since the cave is dead, they must provide a guide personnel that will help awareness for the future tourists to avoid touching cave formations because it takes 1,000 of years to recover and grow. They must also respect and protect the cave wildlife, especially the bats and the monkeys.